The Kind Fox and the Thorn. Fiona the fox was known throughout the forest for her sharp wits and quick paws. But what many didn't know was that Fiona had a kind heart. One day, as she trotted through the woods, she heard a faint whimper. She followed the sound and found a hedgehog curled up tightly, trembling with pain. "What's wrong, little one?" Fiona asked gently. "I stepped on a thorn," the hedgehog sniffled. "It hurts too much to walk, and I can't get it out." Fiona looked at the thorn lodged in the hedgehog's paw. Though her sharp teeth and claws made her seem fierce, she carefully removed the thorn without causing any more pain. "There you go," Fiona said with a smile. "Take it easy for a while, and you'll be fine." The hedgehog thanked her and waddled away, grateful for Fiona's kindness. Weeks later, as Fiona roamed near the edge of the forest, she heard a rustling sound. Before she could react, a hunter's net dropped over her, trapping her tightly. Fiona struggled, but the more she moved, the tighter the net became. Suddenly, the hedgehog appeared. "Don't worry, Fiona," he squeaked. Using his sharp teeth, the hedgehog gnawed through the ropes, freeing Fiona from the trap. Fiona smiled gratefully. "You saved me." "But why?" "Because you were kind to me when I needed help," the hedgehog said. From that day on, Fiona and the hedgehog became the best of friends, and Fiona learned that acts of kindness, no matter how small, often come back when you least expect them. They spent many days together, exploring the forest, helping other animals in need, and sharing laughter under the shade of the tall trees. Fiona's heart grew even kinder, knowing that every good deed she did created a ripple of kindness that could spread through the forest. As the seasons changed, Fiona and the hedgehog's friendship grew, teaching the forest the power of kindness. Their bond showed that no matter how different you are, a kind heart makes a lasting difference, making the forest brighter and warmer for everyone. Remember, small acts of kindness can create lasting bonds and make the world a better place, just as Fiona and the hedgehog's friendship showed us. The end. Moral of the story: kindness, no matter how small, always comes back when you least expect it. Helping others creates lasting bonds and makes the world a better place. If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and good night, sweet dreams.